Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze the left column in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow the channel and check out the links in the description, and let's go to Google Sheets. This is the same whether you're using a Mac, Windows, or Chromebook, although Google does recommend using the Google Chrome browser. Open up the sheet in question and you can see that this one, the top row is frozen, but what I want to do is freeze this column, column A. So when I scroll to the right, the name of the title stays visible. Right now it's kind of scrolling off the screen. So just select the column, click on A, then go to View, Freeze, and then select one column. You can see a little border shows up, and now when I scroll to the right, you can see that the title stays visible. And you can expand that if you need to see more. Whoops, let's try that again. So I can see more of the title. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Sheets, check out the book that I've written about it, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, which also includes Google Sheets and Google Slides, available from in30minutes.com. There's a link in the description. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching.